Okay, so dear students, this is Asha Didiji. I am a faculty with Vidya Bharati Institutions, and today I will look upon the question answers of the chapter The Invention of Vita Wong, Class 7 NCERT Honeycomb book. Okay, so now we are in page number 101 and just look into the questions. Question number 1. Choose the right answer. Mr. Willy Wonka is number 1 a cook, an inventor, or a manager. So you all know the answer is B, an inventor. Second, Wonka Vita makes people older or younger. So you know students that the first medicine that the Willy Wonka invented was to make people younger. So answer B is correct. Now third, Mr. Wonka wants to invent a new thing which will make people younger or older. So after the failure of his first experiment, Mr. Willy Wonka decided to make a thing which will make people older. Okay students? So the answer is number B, older. Now question number 2 asking, can anyone's age be a minus number? So the answer is no. No one's age can be a minus number, as your age can be of 11, 12, 13, but your age is not of minus 11, minus 12, right? So the answer is no. Second question, what does minus 87 means? So here minus 87 means that the person had to wait 87 years before he could come back. Okay, dear students, so here in the question number 2, actually the scientist has made a invention that is making the people younger, and that dose was too concentrated that the people who tasted that they become of the age of minus 87. Okay, so you got the answer, right? Let's move on to the next answer. Question number 3. Mr. Wonka begins by asking himself 2 questions. What are they? So the first question, students, that was what is the oldest living things in the world? And the second question was, what lives longer than anything else? So these are the 2 questions that Wonka begins to ask by himself because he wanted to invent something which make people older. Okay students? Now we are in page number 102 looking into the text questions. So the first question is asking, what tree does Mr. Wonka mention? So the answer is, Mr. Wonka mentions fir, oak, cedar and bristlecone pine trees. Number 2. Which trees does he say lives the longest? So the answer is, bristlecone pine lives the longest for over 4,000 years. So the tree is bristlecone pine. Okay students, it lives the longest. Okay. Here we have the second question of question number 1. How long does this tree live? So we know the answer is, bristlecone pine lives for over 4,000 years. Okay. Second, where can you find it? So the answer is, one can find them upon the slopes of Wheeler Peak in Nevada, USA. So students, USA is a United States of America, a country where Nevada is a place. In that slopes of their Wheeler Peak, one can find the bristlecone pine leaves. Okay. So students, second question is also very easy, and just it is saying that to write the oldest things that you remember. So you can write it by yourself. Okay. So now I am moving to the question number 3. Question number 3 says, why does Mr. Wonka collect items for the oldest things? So the answer is, Mr. Wonka collected items from the oldest things because he wanted to create age. He wanted to invent something that would make people older. So here students, we are going to see that the Mr. Wonka wanted to create age. He wanted to create some invention that will make people older. That's why he collected the oldest things. Okay. Now the second question, do you think this is the right way to begin his invention? So the answer is, it was probably the right way to begin his invention, as he wanted to makes people older, and therefore the use of old things seems appropriate. Okay, students, since he wanted to create an age, that's why he collected the oldest things. Okay. Question number 4. What happens to the volunteers who swallows 4 drops of the new invention? So the answer is, the moment the volunteer swallows 4 drops of the new invention, he begins wrinkling and shriveling up all over. His hair starts dropping off and his teeth starts falling out. So students, remember, when the volunteer has took just 4 drops, then that volunteer so started wrinkling, and that 21-year-old volunteer becomes the old person of 75-year-old. Yes. Now the second question, what is the name of the invention? So you all know, right? The name of the invention is Vita Wong. Okay, students, so here we have completed the question and answers. Okay, so dear ones, here we have covered all the question answers of the chapter The Invention of Vita Wong. Okay, now what you have to do, you just write the question and answers in your fair notebooks and learn it, and in case of any doubts and questions, just drop in the comment box. Okay, so see you in the next chapter with some more explanations, and till then, stay safe and be happy. All the best for your studies.